In this video, we will go over the difference between creating a list in a drop-down box via data validation and the combo box under developer form control, as well as how to use the choose function and the offset function. If the developer tab isn't already on your menu tab, this can easily be added. Right-click anywhere on the menu tab and select Customize the ribbon. On the right-hand side of the pop-up box, scroll down until you see Developer and make sure the box is checked. For our list, we'll use a worst to best case range. One way to create a drop-down list is to use data validation and the list criteria. Using list and selecting our 5 options as a source allows us to switch between those cases on the fly via a drop-down menu. There are customizable messages and warnings one can add for the end user. The default warning, if selected, will pop up a warning saying that the value entered is not allowed. The user will have to select from what is available. The second way is to insert a combo box. The combo box works similarly to the validation list, where you can select a predetermined list of options. However, the combo box also has a cell link. The cell that's paired with the combo box will return a number relative to where the choice is in the list. Worst case will return the number 1 because it's the first item on the list, and better case will return the number 4. This doesn't mean much by itself, but when paired with the choose function, it becomes an easy way to make dynamic selections. We'll use a company's growth projections from 2018 to 2022 to show 2 ways to create dynamic scenarios using either the validation list or the combo box. In scenario A, using the validation list, a quick index match function combo quickly pulls in the correct growth projection. We're looking in a 2018 array of growth and matching what's selected on the list to the cases on the grid. Easily written when the naming scheme is consistent. In scenario B, using the combo box and cell link number, we'll use a choose function. The choose function is very simplistic in its method. The first parameter will be the cell link number, in this case E5, and then each subsequent parameter is literally the choices. Choice 1, choice 2, 3, 4, etc. Is there an advantage to use one over the other? Choose is probably simpler for most people to use, but the choices are locked into the cells chosen. Any subsequent changes in order will not be reflected in the formula. Index match is great and more flexible if the naming scheme is consistent. However, a poorly named lookup array could break the function. While both have its merits, it's up to the user to determine which functions are better for the model. To see how the offset function works, I will use the D&D alignment grid in this example, listing out from chaotic evil to lawful good. Offset. The first parameter needed is the base reference cell. It's where the function will start. In this case, we'll begin at true neutral in the center. This will be 0, 0. The next 2 parameters determines how many cells the function will move from the base. Initially, I've selected blank cells equivalent to zeros. There we see the offset function returning our base reference at 0, 0. When I start entering various combinations of 1s, negative 1s, and 0, we see the function returning different results. A positive number will shift the row and column down and right respectively. A negative number will do the opposite, up for the row and left for the column. Using conditional formatting, we can more easily see the change happening. While this example wasn't provided for financial use, one can see how it moves relative to the reference cell. I hope this quick how-to Excel video provided a new way for you to better use Excel today. Thank you for watching.